Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the mesh yarn and tools. This matters because weight and stretch change your final fabric. Make a slip knot on your hook or needle and leave a half-inch tail. This secures the beginning. Once the knot is ready, form the first chain of 6 to 8 stitches. This establishes width. Make sure to keep even tension. Squeeze the mesh gently, not tightly, because overtension will collapse the open structure and distort gauge, so adjust as needed. Once you have a base chain, you work into the mesh edge only. This is key. Inserting through the tube closes the mesh. Continue with the chosen stitch. Single crochet for dense, loose single loops for airy. Keep your hook angle steady and move the yarn with short, rhythmic pulls because uniform tension preserves pattern repeat. Periodically measure length and width. If rows tighten, loosen your grip. If mistakes appear, rip back to the last correct row. Mesh unravels cleanly if you go slowly. To finish, secure the last stitch with a firm slip stitch or standard bind-off, then weave the tail through several stitches to anchor. This prevents unraveling. Trim excess but leave enough tail for adjustments. Block lightly with steam to open the mesh. Avoid high heat because many mesh fibers melt. If the mesh looks closed or uneven, undo 1 or 2 rows and re-establish even tension. This fixes most shape issues quickly. One troubleshooting tip: if holes close, relax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.